Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Let me be real with you lately. I've been seeing a lot of people talking about making money with AI, and honestly, it can feel overwhelming. You hear about all these tools, platforms, and systems, and most of them either cost a fortune or require a team of developers just to get started. I've been down that road, and it's frustrating. But then I came across something called DFY AI Suite, and I knew I had to share it with you. This isn't just another flashy app. It's a done-for-you AI business platform that lets you launch your very own branded SaaS company without any coding, no developers, and zero tech headaches. And the best part? You keep 100% of the profits. With DFY AI Suite, you can rebrand and sell over 100 powerful AI tools like video creators, content writers, chatbot builders, lead finders, you name it. Everything's already built and ready to go. You just log in, add your branding and payment link, and you're live. It's that simple. You even get tools to find leads automatically, create marketing content in minutes, and accept payments directly. Whether you're a freelancer, coach, or just starting out, this is your chance to own the tools instead of renting them. AI SaaS is exploding right now, and this platform gives you a shortcut to jump in without the usual stress. I've seen people with no tech background launch their business in a single day and start getting real clients within weeks. If you want to learn more about DFY AI Suite, check out the link in the description below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.